Brother, we are back with part 5 of orientation of the last layer, and today we're going to talk about fish shapes. Actually, this looks more like a kite than a fish. Look at this. From above, it looks something like this. Here as well. Okay, you guys might say that these two cases are the same, and yes, they are the same. See, from above, both cases look the same, but here the whole game is happening on the sides. Here you get 2 blocks on the sides, whereas here you don't get those same blocks. Anyway, let's start today's video, and I'll tell you there are a total of 4 cases in fish shapes. From above, you see a square, and here a dot. This is a fish case, and if you look at the side, there's nothing there. That's it. Just focus on the 2 edges, not the corners, and there will be a single dot here. Whereas here from the top it's the same, but on the side there's a block here. So the one with the dot like this, that will be our holding position. This dot will be at the back left, and this square will be on the right at the front like this. This will be our holding position, and the algorithm is above. Let's check the fingerprints first, then I'll explain how to remember them. RU2, R2 prime, FR, F prime, RU2, R prime. It's very fast. I just used that algorithm. It's so fast that you guys can't even see it. Now let's talk about how you guys have to remember this algorithm. Simply, this is the same case. First of all, what are we actually doing in this algorithm? We're sending this pair to the back, taking it out. How? RU2, R prime. This pair has gone over there. Now we're doing a sledgehammer once. R prime, F, R, F prime. And now we're inserting this pair back here. RU2, R prime. What is a sledgehammer? Let's talk about the second case, where there's a fish pattern from the top and 2 blocks are meeting here. So our holding position here will be with 1 block on the right side. Alright, leave that aside. This dot, it will stay on your right side, like this. This yellow one here, I call it the dot, it will stay on your right side. This is when there are 2 blocks, This is not the previous case. If you don't understand, watch the previous case again. Anyway, what's the algorithm for this? Before the algorithm, I want to tell you guys 2 or 3 things. Bro, we say, no man, it doesn't look good like this. Let's solve this first. Alright bro, we call this SX C R U R prime U prime. There's an inverse sec C which we call U R U prime R prime. Similarly, there's a sledgehammer which we call R prime F R F prime. And there's a hedge slammer too. What is a hedge slammer? It's the reverse move of the sledgehammer, which is F R prime F prime R. And bro, again, if you guys don't know about the hedge slammer and inverse SECC, then you guys should go and watch my algorithm video. Anyway, how we have to solve this case, this will be our holding position. First, we have to do the hedge slammer, and after that, the inverse sec C, which is FR prime, F prime, R, and now we'll insert this pair here. Easy. And how do I do its finger tricks? Once I bring my thumb here, and from here, F, R prime. Now from here, F prime, R, and I insert this pair from here. Let me show you. Oh man, this wasn't a good example. Let me try again. Oh man, and this is very fast, very fast. Let me show you once again. Oh man, this wasn't a good example. Let me try again. Oh man, next level. They were a bit locked up, but still better than before. These are the next 2 cases, man. If you look from the top, you'll say, hey, this is a bit different from the fish case. Yes, there are 2 types of fish patterns. The one I showed before was a full square. Here, this top corner has no yellow. Yes, there's a fish pattern like this too. From above, both appear identical. But when we bring this dot to the right side in both cases, see, it comes to the right side on the right side. So when we look here, brother, in one case, there's yellow here on this side of the H, while here you get a block, okay? First, let's talk about this. If there's a case where this is the pattern from above, and if you keep it on the right, only one H has yellow, not both, just one. So we'll move this dot to the back here, and this will be our holding position, and this will be the algorithm. Watch the finger trick first, then I'll explain how to remember it. RU, push from here. U, R prime. U, R prime. F, R, F prime. R, U, 2, R prime. And now I want to tell you guys how you can remember this. This is the same case. The holding position will be like this. First, we took this pair out. It came out with R, U, R prime. We'll send this pair forward once. Then we'll do a sledgehammer, R prime, F, R, F prime. And now we'll directly insert this pair here with R, U, 2, R prime. Man, these are such easy cases. I mean, it's the same thing and it's so fast. If you guys use my finger tricks, you'll be surprised yourself. I don't know, I might be gone somewhere. You'll be amazed yourself, like, man, did this guy really tell us something genuine? And this is the last case of our video today, where there was a pattern like this on top, and when we kept this taut on our right side, we were getting 2 yellows here, okay? And for this, the holding position will remain the same. While staying here, you have to apply this algorithm. First, we'll look at the finger trick, then I'll tell you how to remember it. R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R2, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. These were the finger tricks, and now let me tell you how you have to remember this algorithm. Simply, the first is the SECC move, R, U, R prime, U prime. After that, the first 3 moves of the sledgehammer, which are R prime, F, R. The first 3 moves, R prime, F, R. Now, once again, it's the SECC move, which is R, U, R prime, U prime, and the final step, as you can see, is F prime. I've explained the finger tricks, told you how to learn them, and now, man, I'll tell you again, just watch it again, it's the same case. This is the holding position. First, the SXC move, R, U, R prime, U prime. After that, the first 3 moves of the sledgehammer, which are R prime, F, R. Then the SXC move once again, R, U, R prime, U prime, and the final step, F prime. And you guys have become kings, man. You've become the kings of these fish cases. Finally, today's part of orientation of the last layer is finished. Thank God, man, we're reaching the end. Orientation of the last layer is about to be done, man. The way I'm teaching, I could explain all the cases to you guys in a single video, but no. Anyway, the idea behind this strategy is that you guys can remember it like this. I upload a video every 2 or 3 days. You guys watch the video and practice. What more do you need, man? So I think we've learned today's fish cases easily, and let's end this video here, man. I hope you guys liked the video. If you have any tension, just check the description. If you guys don't know how to do SECC move, inverse SECC, hedge slammer, sledgehammer, or how to insert a pair, you'll find it in that video. The link is in the pinned comment and also in the description. See you in the next video. Subscribe.